Manual materials handling is moving, lifting, carrying, pushing, pulling of materials. Here at the University of Waterloo, we host a centre that includes almost all of the researchers here in Ontario that are dedicated to the prevention of musculoskeletal disorders. Musculoskeletal disorders are pain, discomfort, and injuries to the different tissues of the body, be that bones, ligaments, tendons, or muscles. An ergonomist is a professional who has special training in fitting jobs to people.
So we're just going to be retrieving from just demonstrating an above shoulder lift. My name's Ken Brown. I'm an ergonomist with the Ministry of Labour for the Western Region. Musculoskeletal disorders in Ontario workplaces make up over 40% of lost time injuries.
I'm Melanie Wegler. I'm an Industrial Health and Safety Inspector with the Ministry of Labour in the Western Region. Today we're at the University of Waterloo visiting the Central Stores area and food services. We're doing a visit to show you what an inspector would look at when performing a manual material handling visit.
Manual material handling occurs in a wide variety of workplaces across all sectors.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm Melanie with the Ministry of Labour. This is my colleague, Ken Brown. Hi. Typically, I would do an inspection on my own. If I identify any hazards specific to ergonomics, I would invite an ergonomist to accompany me to assist in determining what those hazards are and what next steps need to be done by the employer. When I visit a workplace, I would ask to see a management representative as well as a worker representative. We'll start in your office and we'll do an administrative review. So how many injuries would you say you've had in the last year related to MSD hazards? I would ask to see accident stats. What type of injuries is the workplace having and what steps the employer has taken to reduce those risks to workers?
We would cover off policies and procedures involving manual material handling, as well as any training components.
And the Joint Health and Safety Committee, how were they involved?
Basically, a lot of risks are brought up by the staff themselves.
What we'd like to do now is go out on the floor and basically target those areas that have the largest objects or the most awkward and target those areas for our inspection.
When I do a physical inspection of the workplace, I would watch how the workers are working. Are they lifting product? How heavy is the product that they're lifting? So Joel, how much would this box weigh?
That box would be about 75 pounds.
Okay, and how do workers then transport this box?
We like to transport it using a pallet truck.
Where are they lifting it to? How are they storing this product? How are they retrieving this product? If the product is heavy, how far do they have to carry this product? Are they using lift assists?
It's a common misconception that the weight or mass of the object is the only factor. In fact, we would want to be looking at where the object is located, how high or the distance that they're moving that object through, as well as how far away the object is from the person that's handling it. And another important factor is how frequently the lift is being performed. When I'm observing a task, I like to look at where the body positioning is, if it's involving twisting, leaning, if the person is performing the push or pull with their entire body weight, the amount of force that's involved. I notice you got quite a few carts. Is there a regular inspection that goes on for the condition of those carts?
Yeah, our receiver, actually, that's one of his duties, is to make sure that they're in good working order.
Are workers pushing them rather pulling them? How high are they stacking products on these carts? I would also check aisleways to ensure that workers can travel through aisleways freely, unobstructed. Workers need to ensure, prior to making a lift, that they're aware of the hazard there. Is this a two-man job? Do I require a hoist or a lifting device to assist me? How far do I have to carry this product? How long do I have to walk holding it?
Some of the options that are available for lifting, pushing, or pulling involve lift assists, scissor lifts, lift tables.
Pump carts, lift trucks, adjustable tables. There might be hoists available or cranes for heavier objects to assist workers. Workplace safety is everybody's responsibility. MSD hazards are preventable in the workplace if everybody works together to identify those risks and to have controls in place to address those risks. For more information, you can visit the Ontario Ministry of Labour website.
An MSD prevention guideline can be downloaded at our website.